Sunday morning. I just finished at the gym, and today we're gonna talk about ISC West. But before I can do that, I gotta go upstairs and get changed. Okay, so for those of you that don't know, ISC West is the largest security trade show in North America. I believe there's something like 30,000 people that attend, and this is really an opportunity for all of the major players in the security industry to come together, meet with different customers, prospects, partners, and to share new technology. So this year, BioConnect is gonna have a ton of new technology to share, some really exciting stuff for the show, and I wanted to dive deeper into one of them. But just to give you an idea of what will be there, we're gonna be displaying the brand new Face Station, the first ever dual factor solution to actually secure server cabinets in the data center. And lastly, and probably most excitingly, the one we'll spend time on today, is the first mobile application for dual factor authentication from your iPhone. So how do you use your phone plus a biometric, something you are, whether that's your face, voice, eyes, or something else, to actually gain access into critical areas? So let's check it out. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and the BioConnect app. So you'll see here, this is the main interface. So you'll see a couple different options of actions you can take, like unlocking a door. So we'll dive into that in a moment. But first thing I wanna do is just show you around the app a little bit. So if I jump over into my profile, what you're gonna see is a couple things pop up. And these are the biometric modalities, the different biometric types that you can use to authenticate. So you'll see you have the option to use your eyes, your face, your finger, or your voice. And I'll show you those in just a moment. The other thing is, if we go into our settings, we're gonna see HID mobile access. And so as I click on that, you're gonna see an actual mobile card. It looks a lot like the card you probably have for work today. So what this is, if you're not familiar with HID's mobile solution, is they've recently produced the ability to take your access card, much like you use to get through the turnstile in your office building today. And they've made the ability to actually make that credential and push it down from the internet onto your phone. So you can use your cell phone to get access to a door. What we've done is we've actually taken this as a wrapper and wrapped that mobile credential with biometric authentication to provide dual factor authentication. Okay, so what I want to do now is show you what it's like to get enrolled into the application. So we'll go back to the profile, and the first one selected is the eye verification. So I'm going to go ahead and press the enroll button, and it's going to ask me to present my eyes to the area on the screen. And you'll see at the top left, you have a little tracker there showing your progress and how far into the enrollment you are as well. So you see the whole process doesn't take very long, and that's complete. It's now in the system. And then what I can do is I can do a test verification. So you'll see almost immediately I'm able to actually verify into the system. Now that you've seen what it's like to enroll into the application using your eyes, I'll just quickly show you some of the other technologies and what it's like to enroll and verify as well. Okay, so now I want to show you how to actually use this application to gain access to a door. All I need is actually my phone and a Bluetooth card reader. So we get away from having to have a physical biometric device at the door that has a network drop and all the wiring associated with it, and use just a simple Bluetooth card reader that in many cases can already be sitting there and installed. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into the app, I'm gonna select unlock a door, I'm gonna go ahead and say verify with my eye, and then I'm gonna go ahead and make that verification. And now you'll see that I'm actually able to go and gain access to the door. So yeah, that's really it. The last thing I guess that's really important or quite cool about this is that in this example, I'm showing you what it looks like to use HID's mobile credential. Because of the platform approach we've taken to this application, the goal is to be able to incorporate any mobile credentials that become available. And so we've already seen them from companies like AMAG and Linnell. And as these start to come and become more popular in the market, customers will be able to use either one, both, or a combination of the mobile credentials that are available inside of the app in the same fashion. So I hope you found that helpful. If you'll be at ISC West, our booth number is 22075. I'll put that in the description. We'd love to see you at the booth. If you'd like to arrange a time to come see any of the technology in person, feel free to comment below or reach out to us. We'll gladly take care of you.